Hey guys, what's up? It's IzayLitez24 here. Welcome back to another video. And today we got a package. As you can see, this is the Hurricane 700. This is a small fog machine. This is actually the one I broke. Go check out the short. I'll put a link in the description, but I got another one because recently the old one I had broke because the heating element stopped working because I was running it continuously. But yeah, this is the Hurricane 700 by SUBZ. It's a nice fogger. All right, so now let's get into the box. You have what you would normally expect in a SUBZ box. We got some stickers and a power cord. I'll put that right there. We got some fog fluid, which is nice. Nice that they had fog fluid in the box. I know some foggers, they don't add fog fluid into the box. There's your mounting bracket in case you want to mount it onto like a truss or something. And then we have the actual unit itself. So yeah, this is the Hurricane 700. It's a nice fog machine. It comes with these, so you can mount the bracket onto the fog machine. All right, and then it has this fog button right here. It's not continuous. It just has a button that says fog. Give me 1 second. I gotta mount this mounting bracket on here because I like to point it pointing the fog machine up and out like that, because fog only goes in one direction, haze goes everywhere. I might get a haze machine too. This is just temporary. Cue the time lapse because I am about to put this thing on here. So cue the time lapse. Wait guys, I forgot. I wanted it to point up and out, so I'm gonna do this. I know it's not ideal to point this thing on its side. There we go. And yeah, make sure you don't actually hold your fog machine like this when it's running. All right, so there it is. There's the Hurricane 700. I like it like this because it actually shoots out in front of the lights. Before we turn this thing on, we need to put some fog fluid in here. Pour it into the fog machine, don't spill it. All right, and then you gotta screw the cap on. And now we can turn this thing on. All right, so I'm going to plug in my fog machine. I have a Slim Par 56 over here. All right, the lights are off. There's the Slim Par right there. It's projecting a nice spot right there, even though it's a wash fixture. It's got a tight beam because it's an uplight too. You can use it for uplighting. So once it's ready, this light will come on and you just press this button and fog shoots out. The fog machine itself, it takes about like 4 to 5 minutes to heat up. It's not too bad. All right, the light's on. And now we're gonna shoot some fog off. All right, so we got a nice little beam. I haven't actually shown you how it shoots off yet, but here we go. Produces a nice jet of fog. This could be used as a special effect, or you could just use it to light a beam. It just looks amazing. Cool, we got a nice beam coming up right here. Looks awesome. As you can see, this fog machine is pretty powerful. I like it. And yeah, this is the Slim Par 56. I might do a video on this. I'm not sure. I want you guys to leave it in the comments. Do you want to see the Slim Par 56? Because I'll do a video on it if you guys want to see it. So leave it in the comments below if you want to see the Slim Par 56. Yeah, that's the fog machine. Yep, this is the Hurricane 700. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. And also subscribe to my second channel, because I only have 8 subscribers. And the road to 10 subscribers on my second channel begins now. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, the second channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, do all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.